So we are recording again the video. This is the footage of the parrots again. Look at those parrots. They are so cute and lovely noise. Look at that parrot. He's so beautiful and flying. Look at that. This parrot is laying the eggs, and one Ophelia parrot is open, and some pigeons over there. Lots of pigeons, lots of pigeons, and one pigeon flying.
You can do your own gold bird.
The bird. This is the museum of the birds. Birds. Mommy, let's go. This is one of the most beautiful parrot and a one pigeon. Look at those parrots. And a one pigeon got in. There you go.
Okay, shall we go now?
Yeah. No, look at that parrot. This parrot is a lot.
Shall we go now to the outpost?
Yeah. That's the end. Go to search Jacob Pavlik 1999 at gmail.com. Bye.